So, what do you think about dykes?
I have to, give you the truth on that one, man. I've seen a lot of pretty girls that are just straight lesbian, bro. I can't believe that shit, man. A girl would rather have a plastic fucking dick over a real dick. I just don't get it, man. I think if you fucking straight dyke, why don't you just go get a dick and get a sex change? That way it makes you 100% man. You won't be a woman no more if you're fucking lost in that area. Straight up. Look, man, I'm not anybody to judge different sexual orientation, whatever the fuck. Y'all can do what you want, man. Keep the faggotism and all that shit away from me, because I don't care about it. I'm only into the girls that like both sides, you know what I'm saying? I'm not, because I ain't gonna discriminate, because two is better than one. You know what I mean? You know what they say. Two is better than one. We gonna be having some fun. You know that Ludacris shit, man. Ludacris shit, some real shit, bro. I remember that shit happened to me at a college campus, bro. When that Ludacris shit happened, bro. So I was happy than a motherfucker, bro. That would take, I swear to God, that would take a blunt and make it the best blunt you would ever listen to on your sounds in your car, bro. Just knowing that happened to you. I ain't gonna say I'm a pimp or nothing. I'm just gonna say the truth. Nigga got lucky on the right day. Cause them college bitches be worse than fucking girls gone wild in Mexico. You know what I'm saying? The northeastern bitches, hey, I love you bitches. Anyways, what the fuck was I saying, man?
You were talking about dykes.
Oh yeah. See, man, that shit was good. But anyways, man, if you want to talk about that shit, like I said, man, y'all dykes, man, stop teasing a nigga. Why don't you dress up in some man clothes or something, man? Because y'all be looking too fine. I said, ew, he's a man. That's gross. Bitch, I got a dick. It's like an antenna. It monitors shit. I don't give a fuck if you just like coochie. Can you pretend I'm a woman for 2 seconds? Just bend over and let me take care of you. Damn, man. How the fuck you gonna be with a straight lesbian? Can't you accept a little dick? What did a man do so fucking bad? Don't you know niggas are no good? Some of them are confused with that shit, man.